Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: active Albion and Twitch accounts with accessible email. Next, log into your Albion account and navigate to Account Settings to find external connections. Once there, make sure Twitch is signed in the same browser so the authorization pop-up matches accounts. You'll click the link or connect button to initiate OAuth. This is how Albion verifies your Twitch identity. Doing these steps first prevents mismatched accounts and saves time later. You'll see a Twitch authorization dialog, read permissions, and accept to allow Albion access. Once authorized, return to Albion settings and choose which Twitch features you want active, such as drops or stream overlays, because this determines data flow and event triggers. After configuring, verify that the linked Twitch username shown in Albion matches the one you use for streaming. Mismatches cause issues. If the UI shows a pending state, wait a minute and refresh. The linkage often finalizes after the OAuth handshake. You finish by testing the connection. Start a quick Twitch stream or trigger a drops event to confirm Albion recognizes your broadcast. If the integration doesn't work, revoke Albion permissions inside Twitch, sign out of both services, then reauthorize to force a fresh OAuth token. Make sure browser cookies, extensions, or ad blockers aren't interfering. If they are, use an incognito window or a different browser. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched accounts are the most common cause. Double-check usernames before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.